Welcome to ComVac Asia 2021. I'm Amy from Hanover Milano Fairs, Shanghai. Now I'm at the stand of Guangdong Baode. Beside me is Grace Xu, the foreign trade manager of Baldor. Baldor is one of the leading brands of compressed air of China. Hi Grace.
Hi, Amy. Hello, everyone.
Grace, I see your company have a very big products in the stand. Can you introduce to us? Maybe this is your company's new highlight for this year, right?
Yes. This year we bring our intelligent air station for the exhibition. It aims to provide the one-stop solution for the compressed air consumer. Yeah. Let me introduce our intelligent air station in details. We have two air compressors inside the system, one air receiver tank, two refrigerated air dryer, two desiccant or absorption type air dryer and filters inside. You can have a close look for the layout of the system. You can see that on each side we have one piece of air compressor. Each of them is 110 kilowatt two-stage compressors. The air will from the air outlet to the pre-filter and then enter into the air receiver tank and then to the refrigerated air dryer and then to the desiccant or the absorption type dryer. And after the filters, the end customer can use our high quality compressed air directly.
Hi Grace, I know Baldor has very good quality and competitive products in the market. On service part, how your company to keep the competence?
In addition to our traditional after-sale service support to our customers, actually we considered all the after-sale service requirements for different customer applications. For example, this is our intelligent controller system for our air station. Inside this system, we can not only collect the operating data for all equipment inside the station. For example, from this page, we can see the operating data for all the equipment. For example, this is the items in the station. This is the model name, the model, this is the brand name, the model, the rated power, the pressure, the temperature, the current, the loading rate, the operating time, and the status of the equipment. Our system can also have statistics for the energy consumption inside the station. This is the total energy consumption. This is the total air output, the unit energy consumption, and the average discharge pressure. Customer can overview all the status of his air station. This is the total energy cost, the total airflow, the unit energy consumption, the input specific power. And we can see how much electricity cost there is for the air station and how much energy we saved for customer. This is the statistic for the air consumption status. And in our domestic market, we have the EMC operating system. Customers can contact us for more information about it. We have the pre-alarm for all the necessary maintenance. For example, the air filter, the lubricating oil, the separator, and something like that. And sometimes we can receive the pre-alarm for some abnormal data, for example, the overcurrent or over temperature and so on. So customer can do troubleshooting in advance before the machine stops and to ensure a stable operation of his factory.
Grace, thank you very much for your detailed introduction about your system. I think it's really very smart. Not only can provide the basic database to the users, but also help the management supervise the whole status. I think the management can focus more on the energy saving now. Thank you and wish you a great success in ComVac Asia 2021.
Thank you.